I am Dr. N.V. Tyagachandan, Physiologist Director. I am here for the past 20 years. I have been seen a lot of growth and development in the facility wise. With the support and the guidance of the management, we have developed a lot of infrastructure for the students.
VIT has great facilities. It has multiple number of gyms. It has all kinds of sports facilities that one may need. And with the whole thing, with the flexible system of timetables and stuff like that, you can really fit into your schedule and help in your overall development.
First day only I was searching for the volleyball court, so I came to know about volleyball team here and I joined the team.
The main objective is to inculcate sports consciousness, encourage development of the sports, value integrity. These are the main objective of the sports.
They actually conduct few tournaments to help us see what the competition is. Then the coach also helps us. He also helps us and tells us what we have to do.
Here we have a lot of facilities. Recently we have inaugurated on a new gymnasium around 3,000 area square feet with the latest cardio and fitness equipment. We have all kind of facilities like swimming pool with international standard.
2 football fields, like 1 big cricket field, 3 to 4 table tennis courts, a proper 3 badminton courts with wooden flooring. Yeah, so the sports infrastructure is great.
Physical department, we are getting courts. They are telling us for all the tournaments happening in all over India also. So we are participating in that things.
Usually first we will get approval from my higher authority for participating in the tournament. We will get advance for them. We will give TA and DA for the students as well as the company staff members, and then we will provide accommodation for them.
The seniors in VIT, they're really helpful. They've never made me feel like I'm a fresher or I'm new in the team or anything. And even the coaches, they come in the morning like regularly and they help us out through our practice if we need anything.
It is good for us. Nowadays our lifespan is reducing. Without sport activity, everyone is busy with their academics. No one is showing interest. So I request everyone to involve in sports activities and get them fit.
6 o'clock we start. First warm up, then some exercise, some shots and all. Then we start game. We never used to stay for anything. Like they will do for us. We don't even know what tournaments we are going. Just we have to be ready for the matches only.
And the coach looks at the people and see how they play. And then the ones who he feels have a chance, we have a separate tournament with the seniors.
As soon as the tournament got over, we will provide OD for them also. So students are interested to participate in the extramural tournament and also they are bringing laurels. They are practicing regularly in the courts. We can find all the fields are busy in the evening times. So here students are giving a very much good response. That's why we are conducting a lot of tournament, and from management side they are encouraging us a lot. Whatever event, whatever approval we want, immediately they will sanction. They ask us to conduct more event also. So that we are also encouraged, and then we are conducting a lot of events here.
It's not very difficult to balance anything if you really want to do something. It's just about you need to find time for it. It's not that difficult. Sport, on every point there is pressure, on every deuce there is pressure. So for academics it helped. I didn't feel the pressure after I started playing sports for academics. Never felt the pressure for exams. It was always free flowing. Always felt pressure for sport because it is something I hold very close to my heart.
In the second semester we had to choose our own courses. That is a new thing. So I had to first find out the list of all the courses and teachers.
Your needs, if you're a morning person or evening person, I prefer training in the evening, so I have my classes in the morning so that I'm free in the later half of the day. So it's very flexible that way, and it really works for you, even if you want to pursue different things other than your academics.
If they practicing in sports, if they are regular in sports, they can perform in academic also. To maintain our good health, at least they should involve in sport activities daily, at least a half an hour.
Many people ask me how I cope with studies and football. So it's more like I use football to cope with studies. It's more of a stress buster. It's something I really want to do. It's not I'm forcing myself to do it, or I'm putting a lot of effort into it. It's something just comes naturally to me.
So after classes, all classes up to 6 or 7. So if my classes are getting over at 7, I'll directly come to court. After 6 also, I'll directly come to court. At last, we used to play one match every day between 2 teams.
Because I've been doing the same thing since my 6th standard, been managing studies with my sport.
Till 8:30 we can play. 8:30 is our in time. Till that our coach will be there every day.
I'm a morning person for classes, so I used to practice in the evening. Sometimes fitness in the morning too.
VIT offers a scholarship for the outstanding sports person, those who are excel in sports. Usually we are giving scholarship for them according to their performance, whether it is international level or national level. Those who have achieved, we are giving scholarship for them. Around 7 lakh rupees we are given last year. Maybe this year it will increase to 9 lakhs or 10 lakhs. This year our students have achieved a lot. Based on that achievement, we are giving scholarship for them. If you join in a team, you can learn teamwork, leadership qualities, fair play, contacts. You can improve your contacts. Like this, you can gain lot of things, and then as well as you can maintain our health. Main thing is you can maintain our health.
About how to deal with failure, how to handle success, and different things like that, which I realized over the course of time, and I didn't know it while I was going through it. But together as a team, we only practiced for about 1.5 weeks, and we put up a great show, I feel.
Volleyball is so it's a team sport. If you are playing in a team, it will increase your team spirit, and it will make you able to work in a team. Because of this thing only, I got placed also in Infosys. So they, in placement also they told me same thing. Like if you are a volleyball player and if you are a team player, you only better know how to work in a team and how you can run the team or any organization. So this is the advantage of playing in a team. So that freshers can come to know about the games and teams. So I took participation in that, and I got selected for the team also.
And the coach looks at the people and see how they play, and then the ones who he feels have a chance, we have a separate tournament with the seniors. Then we have normal league matches. The top 4 get into the team.
This is the platform to excel their talent.
After winning the freshers tournament, I was called up the very next day to play with the team players. So, I played with them. I defeated them. I came into the team. Then they started sending me for tournaments. Right from the first tournament, I've been encouraged to play. At least 4 or 5 tournaments we play in a calendar year. So, being part of at least 20 to 25 tournaments over the 4 years.
To raise the team, we are conducting a selection trials for our university team. Every year in various sports and games, we used to conduct selection trials for both Chennai and Vellore campus. Students from Chennai, they will come here, they will participate in selection trials. Whoever is good, they will be in the part of the team. They will get chance to represent in the South Zone or All India Inter-University tournaments. Recently we started a VIT Premier League. Previously we will conduct intramural, but recently we will named it as a VIT Premier League.
We are just inter-VIT members. So whoever is interested, they can form teams and then they can participate. So VPL is like a team event, so everyone gets a tournament feeling. So badminton, TT, tennis, swimming, cricket, football. Is there from I think even volleyball is there.
Cricket alone 150 teams, and then football 120 teams are registering. I think this is the highest registration in an intramural tournament.
So as of now, they have a document. They have sent a document to all the students. We have to fill in with our team members, names, details, and whichever sport we want to participate. So I think they'll collect all the data and then they'll form the pictures. So they'll announce the dates of which sport is when. So we just go and we participate and play.
both Chennai and Vellore. Actually, there Mr. Balamurali is there. He is deputy director. He is taking care of that Chennai campus. But I am in charge for the both the campus. Yeah, in previous year in football team, his name is Neil. He played extraordinary in Manipal tournament. After that tournament, his coach, Manipal team coach, asked where he is from, whether he want to join in a sports quota job. That much game he played there. And then one more player, Rahul, also he played well there. The two of them are identified by the Indian coach in Manipal. And then they asked them to come over there for the coaching camp. They went there also. For coaching camp, they went there also. They participated. Students, we have very good team. Usually we have a very good team in football, basketball, volleyball. Every year we are participating in district league matches also. District, they have more chances. They are playing more in the intercollegiate as well as district league matches also. They are being identified by the district associations and Tamil Nadu association also. That's what Mr. Govindaraj got selected to represent Tamil Nadu in athletic. First he participated in district tournament. He won first place in the tournament, and then he went to state, and then in state also he won, and then he got selected to represent Tamil Nadu in junior state. They are also a part of team. We have Mohammed from Sudan, I think, I am not sure. He is also a part of football team. He is a very good football player. See, we will conduct selection trials. It's open to all, everybody. Whoever is interested, they can come and join for the selection trials. Based on the performance, we are selecting the team. South Zone Inter University, our team badminton women team, they won. They represented, they qualified for the All India Inter University tournament. Recently, our students, they won in Tamil Nadu Inter University badminton tournament for men and women. We have organized the tournament here in the month of November. And then table tennis player also, they qualified, they participated in South Zone Inter University, and then they qualified for All India Inter University tournament.
The World Championship in October 2019. My team participated in the Asian Championship in China, and we finished 4th overall.
Actually, I'm a national player, and plus Asian tournament also I played on time. Almost 6 to 7 years I played nationals.
The first two tournaments were like not that big, small tournaments. One was held in Pondicherry, one was in CMC. We managed to win those two because like not a lot of players came. And then the major one was South Zone, like all the South, like that's the main badminton tournament. We went, we played, the competition is tough. We reached quarters, like that's the achievement for VIT. So our team this time is a very good team if you have a chance. So it's just been 6 months since I joined, and we've already been to 3 tournaments. And one of them is the most major tournament that we can participate in. There's also been like small tournaments conducted inside VIT for those participants.
So far, I've gone for JIPMAR, CMC, and then there's the South Zones that's held. This time it was held in Bangalore, Christ College. So I've been for these 3, and then we have.
So VIT feels concerned about the staff members also. We used to conduct a tournament for them in all sports and game for men and women separately. And during the annual sports day, we will award them with the prizes and medals. Apart from that, we are conducting a sports for staff children also. Staff children. Even our chancellor is also participating in the event. At his age, he is winning one in shot put, 100 meters walk. It is the greatest encouragement to all of the faculty and staff members. Everyone will come, and then we will divide into the age-wise category. We are conducting age-wise category so that everyone can participate. It's not common for all. For an athletic event, especially in athletic events, we will divide the age category. According to their age, they can participate in the event. So most of the staff, they are also interested. They are also regular to the fields, courts. You can find morning and evening. They are also regular to the fields. And also we are conducting sports for staff children.
The Dean of SMEC is really supportive. All my faculties, even when I was on leave, they have rescheduled my quizzes, and they've been really helpful and supportive like that. I've had to write my exams after the actual day. So I've written re-exams, re-quizzes and all of that. So they've been really supportive and like flexible that.
Coach also, we have physical department also. So from coach we are getting very good training. Like my game got very, I got very increased in smashing power and everything because of my coach techniques.
They're cooperative about such things. Like if you feel like you won't be able to cope up with your studies or anything, there are always people you can talk to about that.
See, actually, so far, to my knowledge, whoever is in sports, they will be in the discipline. Whatever we say, they will accept. And then if we are conducting coaching, before the tournament, we used to conduct a coaching camp both in the morning and the evening. They used to come regularly. Whatever coach says or from our department side, people says, they will obey and then they will do it.
If not your seniors or anything, you can always approach the teachers, ask them about how you can cope. And even like when I went for these competitions and all, I missed classes obviously. So the thing was, my professors and all were like ready to help me with whatever I missed out on, but I had to take the initiative to go and ask them. But obviously, if you take the initiative to do something, then yeah, they're there for you.
Like if you're interested in studies and want to do sports at the same time, you can come here because lots of facilities are there. Badminton courts, there are 3 very good courts which every day we can go use, and there are tennis, like a lot of facilities are there. So if you're interested in multiple sports, you can try. You can play one sport and then you can try. And there's a lot of competition also, so you will always have a chance to play with someone or other.
So I would suggest like people from all over India and like from Thane too, my hometown, to come here, and because it's a superb ecosystem for sports. The infrastructure is good, the encouragement is superb. So just come here and like experience it. And like I said, my game, when I came here, my game has only gone up. I've never looked back.
Education in the VIT is too good. Like you will have good placement opportunities and all. And other than that, you can increase your thing in the sports also. You can participate in sports. VIT is giving the it gives the stage of sports plus education. So you'll be able to you'll get the good management skills because of this. So Rivera is like a festival in which we are calling universities from all over the India, and they're participating in our team, like our college, for the fest. And we are having a match between all the teams. Almost like around 6 to 7 teams used to come. Mostly from south only they are coming because north side it's too far. So
they say take it as it comes. Like now this sem my subjects are a little tougher and all, so like I was getting a little scared for the first exam and all that. So they're like, doesn't matter, it's college, so like you have to enjoy at the same time. So like try to relax a little and just take it as it comes.
My parents just tell me to stay out of trouble, manage the time and study. So that's their main concern. So I try actually listening in the night. I'll try studying whatever I can, and if anything important is there, I'll try doing it.